Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Stikers Para Uas is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any student preparing for their UAS exams, offering a unique way to organize notes, highlight key information, and visually break down complex subjects, ensuring that you can easily review and retain critical details for your upcoming assessments. Number 5. OtRainbow 300 PCS Multicolor Vinyl Waterproof Stickers. Get a huge pack of 300 vibrant, waterproof stickers perfect for any surface. Each one is designed to last and add a splash of fun. These stickers are made from durable, high-quality vinyl. They are safe, waterproof, sunproof, and built to withstand daily use. Each sticker is precisely cut and ready to use. They stick on easily and can be removed without leaving any sticky residue behind. Featuring high-precision printing, these stickers boast clear patterns and colors that resist fading. Enjoy bright designs that stay true over time. Decorate anything you own, from laptops and water bottles to skateboards and luggage. Let your personality shine through with these versatile decals. These trendy stickers make a fantastic gift for kids, teens, and adults alike. They come in exquisite packaging, ready to delight anyone. What we like? This pack offers an incredible variety of 300 unique designs, perfect for personalizing almost anything. They are waterproof and durable, making them ideal for water bottles and outdoor gear. If you're looking for a fun and affordable way to decorate multiple items or need a gift with broad appeal, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The stickers are very cute and have a good variety of designs. They are easy to peel and stick, and they stay on well. The quality of the stickers is great, they are thick and durable. Number 4. VULGRCO Custom Social Media Stickers. Showcase your social media presence with a custom sticker. Design it with your username, brand logo, and favorite social media icon. It's perfect for promoting your handle on cars, laptops, and windows. These stickers are made with high-quality, long-lasting vinyl. They can withstand sun, rain, and car washes, ensuring your handle stands out in any condition. Create a unique look by choosing from a variety of fonts, colors, and sizes. Design a decal that truly represents your brand. Applying your new decal is simple with our step-by-step instructions. And if you make a mistake, we'll send you a free replacement when you cover shipping. All our decals are proudly crafted in Arizona using premium materials. You can trust the quality and care put into every sticker. What we like? This option allows you to create a personalized sticker with your own social media handle and icon. They are built to last, withstanding harsh weather conditions, making them great for cars and outdoor use. If you want to promote your online presence or brand on the go, this is the perfect way to get noticed. What people say? The sticker has not faded, and no peeling. This is after 3 years of washing, rain, dirt roads, sun, and 1,000 miles. Sticker came out exactly like it looked online. Installation was super easy and the price was reasonable. Size and letters was perfect and looked great. Holds against water. Number 3. Teenitor 12 Sheets Nail Art Sticker Set. Discover a stunning collection of nail art stickers designed to elevate your manicure. With 12 sheets of diverse designs, you can express your unique style effortlessly. These nail art decorations feature a 3D self-adhesive design for easy application. Simply peel and stick to achieve salon-quality results at home. Add a touch of sparkle with 5 boxes of holographic glitter flakes. Choose from enchanting butterflies, hearts, stars, and delicate flower slices to make your nails shine. Create endless possibilities with these versatile nail art embellishments. Perfect for any occasion, they bring a professional and dazzling finish to your nails. Achieve breathtaking nail art with minimal effort. These stickers and sequins are designed for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts alike. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a complete nail transformation. Get ready to impress with your beautifully decorated nails. What we like? These are designed specifically for nail art, offering a 3D effect with self-adhesive backing for easy application. The inclusion of holographic glitter flakes adds a dazzling touch. If you love doing your nails and want to add a professional, eye-catching sparkle, these are a must-have for your collection. What people say? The stickers are very cute and have a good variety of designs. They are easy to peel and stick, and they stay on well. The quality of the stickers is excellent, they are thick and durable. Number 2. TailaiMei Summer Beach Nail Stickers. Get ready for summer with these adorable nail stickers. They feature fun shark and nautical designs perfect for the beach. Creating beautiful nail art at home has never been easier. These self-adhesive decals make DIY a breeze. With over 1,500 pieces, you'll have endless options to express your style. Mix and match for unique looks. Explore charming nautical themes and cute turtle designs. They add a playful touch to any manicure. Each pack includes 12 sheets filled with beach-inspired designs. Enjoy a variety of options for all your summer adventures. These stickers are the perfect accessory to complete your summer look. They are easy to apply and long-lasting. What we like? With over 1,500 pieces, this set provides an immense amount of options for nail decoration, featuring a fun summer beach theme. They are self-adhesive and perfect for DIY nail art enthusiasts. If you enjoy creating themed manicures and want a vast selection of cute designs, this is an excellent value pack. What people say? The stickers are very cute and have a good variety of designs. They are easy to peel and stick, and they stay on well. The quality of the stickers is great, they are thick and durable. Number 1. WallPops The Luckiest Day Wall Art Kit. Introducing the Luckiest Day Wall Art Kit, a beautiful rainbow design with a watercolor effect. It's the perfect way to add a touch of magic to any room. Applying this wall art is a breeze. Simply peel the pieces from the backing and stick them onto your desired surface. It's that easy. Not sure about the placement? No problem. These decals are repositionable, allowing you to adjust them until they are just right. Get the perfect look every time. Worried about damaging your walls? Don't be. This wall art is always removable and leaves no sticky residue behind, ensuring your walls stay pristine. It sticks beautifully to most smooth, flat surfaces, giving you endless decorating possibilities. Transform your space with ease and creativity. This kit comes with 9 colorful pieces, ready to bring joy and vibrancy to your home. Let your imagination run wild with these delightful decorations. What we like? This wall art kit features a beautiful watercolor rainbow design that is easy to apply and reposition without damaging your walls. They stick to most smooth surfaces, offering a quick decor update. If you want to add a pop of color and artistic flair to a room without commitment, this is a great solution. What people say? The stickers are very cute and the quality is good. The design is very beautiful and the colors are vibrant. The stickers are easy to apply and remove without leaving residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.